Jamming the Van, the world's first and only solar-powered studio on wheels, asked bands to show us inside the vehicles they spend their lives in so we could get the dirt on and off their rides. This is Tour Bus Tours.
Freezer, I got your tail on teasing. My lover is all gone.
This is Sputnik with Jamming the Van at Lake Travis in beautiful Austin, Texas with
Ratboys.
I like that.
So this is Pete, our beautiful 2004 silver Toyota Sequoia, and it's named after my father. Been in our lives since, been in my life since 2004.
Wow.
This was our family vehicle growing up.
Okay.
And eventually my parents wanted to get a different car, and luckily they let us use it to tour and stuff. So
Pass it down. It's been quite faithful, huh?
Absolutely, we're up to 321,000 miles on this bad boy.
Whoa! Who's the driver?
Mostly
Me.
Julia.
I drive it around in Chicago a lot when we're not on tour.
You just like in a constant parade.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm up high, like everyone else is below. I feel very powerful driving this car.
What's the hardest road that Pete has driven?
Oh yeah, Erie, Pennsylvania.
Oh,
Snowstorm?
Yeah, yeah.
we've hit some crazy patches of lake effect snow.
Really?
Yes, where we've had to really go like 1 mile an hour. Yeah, we normally tow like a short silver trailer back there.
I see.
And we were driving on a rough road in Springfield, Missouri, and one of the wheels popped off.
It left you.
It popped off.
The wheel had something else to do.
Yes, it wanted to stay there in Springfield.
Adventure.
Yeah.
So you guys spend a lot of time in your vehicle.
Yeah.
Who is the messiest out of you guys? Oh man, this is gonna be a story. Ooh, when it starts, ooh, it's a story.
I feel like I leave trash everywhere. Maybe I am the messiest.
If you feel that, then you probably do.
Dave used to work at a car wash in high school.
Oh,
so
dang.
No,
every time before we tour, he details the car. Probably not as good as Turtle Wax,
Dave.
but you do a great job.
Thanks.
All right, Dave. Well, maybe we can give you an application. You
Yeah.
know, after this is all through.
We have leftover queso in there, so that's probably the dominant smell right now.
It's baseball season. Watch this. That's what I'm saying. Man, I lost the World Series, man. All right, check this out. Eliminate smoke and mild odors. You know, any kind of odor. Now check this out. Man, I'll open it up.
Oh boy.
Damn. All right. I'm gonna shake this up. Right? Just in case.
Nice.
All right, and then I'm gonna wait a second or two. Smell that.
Give it a whiff, Dave.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Oh, this passed the Dave test.
Yeah.
Man, look at Dave, man.
Go that fast. It's not like I was moving all that quick.
Boom.
Oh yes. Okay.
I'm gonna win the World Series this year. Check
Pop
this
it
out.
off.
You pop that out. Bam.
Yeah.
Interior detail.
So I spray and then you wipe.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Hell yeah. Spray, spray.
Spray, spray.
Give me that white sponge.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not gonna worry. Now check this out. Let me hear.
See, that's really good.
Bam. You see
Bam.
that? This the same color as dirt.
Sure.
And then what's cool, you won't lose it. You just stick it back in there.
I'm sold. That's great.
Lay down in the grass one day.
Check it out. Scratch and repair. Whoa. Yeah. World Series.
Yeah.
This is an omen. Is there a story here?
So when we're not on the road,
Yeah.
Dave and I both do this side hustle where we deliver groceries to people.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, and so I was kind of frantically trying to parallel park in Lincoln Park in Chicago. Then I backed into a light pole, which are green in Chicago, which is why it's green.
All right, but Turtle Wax is gonna help you out. This is scratch, repair, and renewal. Here you go. Now check this out. Man, you gotta scrub this out real quick right here. This green.
Holy
Oh yeah, but it's coming. It's coming.
That's pretty good.
Hey, yeah, you see that?
Everyone can tell the days are passing.
300,000 miles. Nothing says Turtle Wax like TLC. So my shine team is gonna come in here and they're gonna hook it up from the tires, vacuum, everything, because you're gonna look good in your Toyota. Matter of fact, when your dad sees it, I want it back. So how do they reach you?
Our website's ratboysband.com, and that's our Twitter handle and Instagram too, @ratboysband. We got new music coming out later this year. Haven't announced it yet, but we're doing a big old tour starting in April with Pup from Canada.
Wow. Thank you guys so very much for coming here with Sputnik and Jam the Van and our partners in Shine, Turtle Wax. Please, I encourage you to send us some posts of what you do in your tour vehicle. Oh, and subscribe to Turtle Wax.
You want to.
Thank you for coming to the tour, Bus Tour Series. I'm Sputnik for Jam in the Van at Lake Travis with the Ratboys. See ya.
Symmetry. I just want to hold my family. I just want to love my family, hold my shelter and light.